We are at the beginning of the High Line elevated park, a former rail line in Manhattan. We're at the starting point of Gansevoort Street. There's the stairs we came up. It's all the way over on the west side. Across the river. That's nice. And they kept some of the rails as part of the exhibition. You can see the trees growing between and alongside the rails. Starts in the area of the old Meatpacking District in New York, which is rapidly transforming, like every other part of New York. It's amazing. These appear to be meat racks. Here's an ingenious way to shield a water tower. must have been pretty low. Here's the shot of the High Line from the street.
Is he? He'll grow out.
After I complimented his product.
So he created.
And here we have some apple rosemary soda that we got from this stand called the Brooklyn Soda Works. And this section of the High Line is not cultivated. They left the self-seeding plants that settled here during the 30 years that the High Line was not used.